Hey everyone, welcome back to Duck Tech. Today we're diving into Google's latest flagship, the Pixel 9 Pro. From impressive specs and advanced AI capabilities to Google's signature camera quality, this device is built to impress. So whether you're thinking about an upgrade or just curious about the latest in tech, stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the Google Pixel 9 Pro. Introducing the Google Pixel 9 Pro, Google's newest flagship packed with cutting-edge technology and a smooth, seamless Android experience. Let's dive into what makes this phone stand out. First up, let's talk about the display. The Pixel 9 Pro boasts a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with a sharp QHD+ resolution and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This means that everything from scrolling to gaming feels incredibly responsive, while colors are vivid and true to life, perfect for streaming, social media, and everything in between. Under the hood, Google has equipped the Pixel 9 Pro with the powerful Tensor G4 chip, delivering seamless performance across apps and enhancing AI features. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or exploring Google's new AI tools, the Tensor G4 ensures a fast, responsive experience. Now, onto one of the highlights, the camera. The Pixel 9 Pro's rear camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens capable of 5x optical zoom. Google's advanced software processing takes things to a new level with improved low-light performance, incredible sharpness, and outstanding color accuracy, giving you pro-level photography in your pocket. Battery life is always a big deal, and the Pixel 9 Pro delivers with its robust 5100 mAh battery, powering you through all-day use and beyond. And when you need a quick boost, the Pixel 9 Pro supports both fast wired and wireless charging, so you're back up to speed in no time. And of course, the Pixel 9 Pro runs the latest Android software, offering the smoothest, most refined Google experience possible. Enhanced AI, improved privacy settings, and regular updates straight from Google keep your phone secure and performing at its best. With powerful hardware, a premium display, an advanced camera system, and seamless Google integration, the Pixel 9 Pro is a phone for those who want the best of everything. It's Google's vision for the future of smartphones. Thanks for watching. That was our look at the Google Pixel 9 Pro, a phone that's pushing boundaries in camera tech, performance, and design. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Duck Tech for more in-depth tech reviews. Drop a comment below to let us know which feature excites you the most about the Pixel 9 Pro. See you in the next video.